see, this is distemper. There's one pet I love to pet. Every evening we get set, I stroke it. Every chance I get, it's my cup of tea. Sound and plays and never burns. And love that soft and stirs. Out of my because it turns. It's my cup of tea. Often it goes down and up and it returns at the break of dawn. Hello. No matter what the weather's like, you know it's always nice and warm. It's never dirty, always clean. Every girl that's never mean. It's the best I've ever seen. It's my cup of tea. I bring tidbits that it loves and reason like these turtle doves. I take care to remove my gloves. Oh my God, it's a sign, you guys. It's Michael. I'm sorry. Am I saying the P word? Is that the problem today? Okay, I have this great idea. I think we all need to get to know each other a little better. This is the part that I like to call stroking the kitty section. So, whether you know your neighbor or not, this is a good way to get to know each other. Just reach on over and let's stroke a little and have a good time. What do you say? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, out. A telepathic message from distemper. You want me to put my hand where? Ladies and gentlemen, not only has Jesus arisen, but cute little baby kittens have been born right here in Dolores Park. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for distemper. Yay! And Jesus, oh, and you know she did it all without an epidural because I took her backstage. 1, 2, ready, and there's one pet. I love to pet, you know, every evening we get set. I'm going to be struck down later, I swear.